Hello, welcome to Medellin. I am the travel promoter Marcela Corredor. Medellin is a captivating city not only for its pleasing climate, but also for the friendliness of its people, its delicious food and that paisa charm that makes visitors fall in love. Medellin is located in the northwest of Colombia of the Central Mountains. This trip will have a duration of 3 days and 3 nights. The means of transportation to travel to Medellin are biplane, bus, taxi, or car. The best activities to do are go to the Botero Square, go to the Antioquia Museum, and go to the Guatapé Lagoon. A good hotel to stay at is the Rango Hostel Boutique. It's cheap and is a good place. Typical food of Medellin is bandeja paisa, mazamorra, frijoles, and sancocho antioqueño. The cost is between 260 or 200 including everything. We look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.